Thula Bopela is chairman on the council of the organization PSIRA that regulates the private security industry in South Africa. As a young Zulu man in the early 1960s, Bopela sacrificed his boyhood dream of becoming a lawyer to follow his duty as a warrior against apartheid. He joined the liberation struggle in the ranks of Umkhonto weSizwe in 1963. The following year, he was sent for military training in the Ukraine. He trained as an artillery specialist, where he graduated top of his class. In 1967, Bopela was part of an MK guerrilla contingent that was captured, tried, and sentenced to death in the Salisbury High Court. After 2 years on death row, his sentence was commuted to life, and he spent 13 years in prison until freed by Mugabe in 1980. He received a scholarship from the World University in Kenya, where he obtained a sociology and anthropology degree cum laude. He later returned to South Africa from his exile in the Netherlands and began a successful corporate career. With Daluxolo Luthuli, he published Umkhonto weSizwe, Fighting for a Divided People, the first memoir written by men who fought as guerrillas with liberation forces in Southern Africa. Bopela has written numerous political articles on socio-political events in South Africa. He draws on his extensive knowledge and experiences to inspire discussion in the ruling party's structures, especially among young comrades.